The subordinate courts. So in this video, we are going to learn about the subordinate or lower courts. So first of all, we would learn about the meaning of subordinate courts, the civil courts, the criminal or sessions court, meaning and composition of Lok Adalat and the advantages of Lok Adalat. So let's start with the meaning of subordinate courts. All courts inferior in their status to the Supreme Court and High Court are termed as a subordinate court. If you understand with a pyramid, so at the apex there is Supreme Court, and in the middle there is High Courts, and at the lower level there is subordinate courts. So all the courts lower to the rank of Supreme and High Court, then those courts are known as subordinate courts. The courts of district judge and other courts lower to the rank is called as subordinate courts. The organization, power and function of these courts are contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure or CRPC and the Code of Civil Procedure. So let's understand the composition and function of the district, civil and criminal court. So there is two types of court at the subordinate level, the Court of District Judge and the Court of Sessions Judge. So the Court of District Judge is the highest district civil court. It means it concerned with the civil matters, whereas the Court of Session Judge is concerned with the criminal matters and it is the highest district criminal court. The district judge and the additional district judge are appointed by the governor, whereas the session judge are also appointed by the governor. The Court of District Judge hears cases related to land, property, divorce, guardianship over a minor, etc. Whereas the Court of Session Judge hears cases related to murder, theft, robbery, docketies, assault, etc. So whenever a case is related to some crime, then that case would go to the Court of Sessions Judge. The Court of District Judge cannot award death sentence, whereas the Court of Sessions Judge can award life imprisonment or death sentence, but that should be confirmed by the respective High Court. Now let's talk about Lok Adalat. So meaning and composition of the Lok Adalat. The Lok Adalat means People's Court. A few judges of the Supreme Court, social workers, young students of law, public spirit men and women are the members of the Lok Adalat. It was constituted to lessen the burden with the Supreme Court and High Court and other courts, the formal judicial structure. The Lok Adalat is assisted by legal aid committees and social action groups. So, what are the advantages of Lok Adalat? They deliver speedy and inexpensive justice. People can reach there and seek justice. They work in the spirit of compromise and understanding, and both the parties to a dispute feel satisfied. They reduce the workload of the high courts and delay injustice. Judgment passed by the Lok Adalat is final and binding. Before taking a matter to a court of law, any party can move the Lok Adalat for a settlement of the dispute. So that's it in this lesson. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.